Hey, hello friends, welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So we know that in SAP S4 HANA, the pricing condition tables has been doubled up. In R3, we observed that from table number 1 till 500 are standard tables. From 501 till 999 will be the custom table. That means that 501 till 999 is a namespace given for us to develop the new tables. Standard is from 1 to 500. The custom is from 501 to 501 to 999. In big organizations, these 500 numbers from 501 to 999 won't be sufficient because the requirement we're getting frequently and it's a big project, a lot of changes are going on. So the given namespace won't be sufficient to create those n number of pricing condition tables. That's why in SAP S4 HANA, SAP came up with defining the condition tables in a format of alphanumeric, which will be doubling up the current intervals. So fine, let's understand how it works. Okay, so basically I am trying to create an condition table in v/03 transaction code as 45D. And when I enter this 45D and click on enter, I am getting this error. Let's understand what does it mean. System saying that I have entered the invalid condition table number, and it is saying that the allowed namespace, I mean the numbers condition table from SAP point of view is the standard ones are that 1 to 500. This is standard condition table intervals or namespace. And coming to the alphanumeric, that is 4AA to 4VV. So 1 to 500 and 4AA to 4VV. If you see in tables like 4AA or 4AB, 4AC, 4AM, N or 4DD, anything falls in between these 4AA to 4VV range, then that is also standard table which are in the alphanumeric combination. And coming to that customizable, I mean new table that we can create, that is ranges available from 501 till 999 is a custom tables. This is the number is given even in R3 also. This is the number is given by SAP. And coming to that alphanumeric number range is introduced in SAP S4 HANA. The customizable range is that 9WA to 9VV. Okay, you can't go beyond this 9AA to 9VV. So if I explain you in a better way, so the table should be 9AA, for example, 9AB, 9AC, so till 9AB only. Similar way, we can create 9BA, 9BP, 9BC till 9BV. So like this, we can create the condition table up to 9VV. So the last letter should be V only. And after V in ABCD we have a WXYZ, right? Not WXYZ not allowed. Either in the beginning I mean in second place or third place. So the second place and third place should be limited till V only. Again VA, VB, VC allowed. That is still VB only, not VW, not VX or VW, VZ. So remember this limit. Accordingly, you can create the condition table as per your request. And to implement these changes, I mean to implement this functionality to create a condition table with the alphanumeric combinations, SAP provided on SAP note 1940393. So according to this SAP note, we should implement this, and then only this functionality can be activated to define the custom number ranges from 9WA to 9VB. So without implementing the SAP notes, we can't access this feature in SAP S4 HANA. That's it, friends. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.